We are pleased to have Bill Goodwin with Delta Trust Mortgage joining us this morning to talk about what's going on with our local housing market and comment on these ever-changing interest rates. Good morning.
Good morning. Good to be here.
Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you with the shirt. You know, hey, this is summertime in
Absolutely.
Arkansas. Let's start with the industry update. How is the housing market?
It's good. We're seeing a lot of activity in this area. We're seeing a lot of new construction and it's been quite some time since we've seen this much new construction. A lot of houses selling. They're selling in some cases in just a few days, few weeks, and of course that's something that's got to happen to keep the market going. A lot of people have been sitting on houses for a while now. You're seeing sold signs.
It's a far cry from what 08, 09 when everything just came to a halt and your house would be on the market for a year, maybe longer than that.
Absolutely.
What about the inventory of homes out there? What are you seeing?
There's quite a reduction in inventory in a lot of areas. I mean, it's certain price ranges are affected more than others, but since the beginning of the year, a great reduction in what's out there.
Is there a particular area in terms of price that's going a little faster than another, like price range 250 to 350, or maybe above 350 or less than that? What are you guys seeing at the bank?
I mean, in Central Arkansas, the average price is around 180, and so that in that area is where you're seeing the most activity. Anytime you get above that, it starts slowing down, and then in the smaller price ranges as well, we're seeing quite a bit of activity.
Interest rates starting to edge back up?
Just a little bit. We're hearing a lot about that in the news. The thing you got to remember is we're right where we were last year in the spring of 2012. We're still in that same range. So we really got spoiled last year with lower than they are today, and we may see them again. We don't know, but for now they're still in a great range, and historically they're very low.
I understand there's some other financing products available for Arkansans, is that right?
Right. We're seeing a lot of interest in rural development. That's 100% loans. They are in what people traditionally think of as rural, but you have areas in this part of the state like Bryant, Cabot, Faulkner County, you have Greenbrier and Valonia are all qualified for rural development. They're 100% financing. They have income restrictions, and there's other guidelines, but they're a good loan.
What about other options for, say, veterans, maybe seniors?
Veterans, we're seeing a lot of interest in what we call VA loans.
Okay.
They're not restricted just to they're also to veterans, but also to reservists, National Guard. Okay. They're 100% loans. They have really good rates. You don't have the income restrictions, and we're seeing a lot of activity in that area. As far as seniors, there's a reverse mortgage product out there that's had a lot of popularity as well for those 62 and over.
So all in all, you'd say that the Arkansas housing market is finally beginning to take an upward swing.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely.
Bill Goodwin joining us from Delta Trust. Thank you. Good to see you.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Glad to be here.